Yes, from the very beginning, back to January last year, I already reviewed it via multimedia through YouTube anonymously to tell the world the SARS-CoV-2 actually is a bioweapon made by PLA and also Chinese Communist Party controlled lab and using the very unique backbone virus which is PLA discovered from East China from the bat and named as CC45 or ZXC21. After series of modification, make it become very human oriented, which means it like human and it can give a lot of multiple harmful damage to human bodies. And then they intentionally release it because this biosafety lab, I mean, if you examine the evidence, there is no evidence yet clearly shows that this is leaked. And I know how it works there, but there do have other evidence point to that Chinese Communist Party conducted the community trials, which means they bring the virus out of the biosafety lab in Wuhan and spread it into community to optimize the character of the virus and finally get out of control. And later, they further spread it all over the world and conduct their biowarfare. The book you talk about actually is a strategy book, which we call it like the guidance for Chinese Communist Party's long-term, non-traditional bioweapon program, which means this bioweapon is not as what you know before, which maybe gives a high mortality, like immediately as a bomb, give like over 10% death. No, it's not like that because that's easy for other country or people to recognize. But this one is they want make it like nature occurring. They mimic it and let people thought it's from nature. The only thing you can identify it is because of this virus evolution history is not nature, which is also the same thing I revealed in the previous 3 Yan reports to show it. And also, they know this virus because it looks nature occurring. So once other scientists or other government pointed out that it's lab-made, they can deny. Yeah, remember, deny and misinformation is very important part of their restricted biowarfare, which I define this part as unrestricted scientific misinformation. And you can see from this campaign involved WHO, involved NIH, some top expert in US, and also involved the top journals like Lancet and Nature. So these people can suppress your questions using some scientific style, which actually helping Chinese government to conduct their strategy. And this non-restricted, unrestricted bioweapon is not only focused to make people dead. The most important thing is to make the secondary damage, which is paralyze your society, paralyze your economics, and also waste your time. That means waste your money, waste your life, and then later they can win. So I think you already know in China, they celebrate the anti-COVID-19 trophy this year already.